Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I made a community post the other day griping about gear and how much I hated this hobby at times because I'm always buying gear. And I bought a new knife. I got this on Etsy. It's the sheath by itself is 1.7 ounces. The blade, which is right here, is 7.2 ounces. And then together it's 9.1 ounces. Now that didn't come with the leather lanyard. I know it's not a functioning lanyard. I love the way it looks. I think it looks really cool. Plus when you grab it, it gives you a little extra purchase area. I'm not sure I could do that. It gives you a little extra purchase when you pull it out. And I just think it looks cool. And I also love the fact that it doesn't have, this isn't polished. I think it just gives it a lot of character. Really nice handle. Comfortable, fits my hand. I can get a full grip on it. I literally just got it this last week. Came in the mail. 4-inch blade length. 4.5-inch handle, so 8.5 inches overall. It's gonna be a great little backup knife. Like today's primary knife is the GNS. So here's the GNS, seen on many videos. So this is basically the combo I run with. Main knife, secondary knife. Overall I like it. I haven't cut anything with it. I'm probably going to do so once I get my lunch going, because priority, food. Then I'm probably going to go do a little bit of cutting with it, see how it does. So far I'm really happy with it. Like the handle, it's comfortable. I believe it's rosewood, full tang. You can see that. Hopefully the camera will focus. Full tang, thick blade too, really thick. Look at that. So, yeah, we get that on. Get to cutting with this. Alrighty, so it's actually been a week, truth be told. And I meant to get back to this knife, and I just, stuff came up. So what I wanted to do is, there's another shot of it. It's kind of sun glare, so I can't tell if it's showing up well or not. I'm going to try doing some feathers, hit it with a ferro rod, and yeah, just see how she does. I literally just pulled this off a tree just a little bit ago. Hopefully my body is providing enough shade. Sticks to my gloves. Maybe they didn't put a very good edge on this when they came out of the shop. Well, let's see if that's enough to hit it with a fill rod. Strikes a ferro rod, okay? Ow! Was a little stubborn about going, but oh, there we go. Yeah. Took a few tries, but not a bad little knife. I might go hit it, go home and strop it a little bit. So, cool. Alright. Alright, well, you know, she's not a bad little knife. I think I gotta put the strop on it, maybe hit it with a stone a little bit, kind of touch it up, but I'll definitely be doing a little bit more. I've been carrying it a bunch, so I'll probably be doing a little bit more field work with it. Well, the link to the knife on the Etsy page will be down in the description, and let me know what you think. Comments, suggestions, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.